everyone, welcome back to Miss Jess channel. Happy Halloween to every one of you. Today I'm gonna share with you this look right here, which is I created, and it is supposed to look like a vampire, but it does not look like a vampire. This looks more of like a witch, but it is what it is, okay? And today I'm also going to share with you my experience, my spiritual journey or spiritual experience, which is not something very evil, which is evil, but also not very evil, which is something very good, which is something very positive, which is something very hopeful. So yeah, I'm going to share with you while doing my makeup. So if anything goes wrong, I'm sorry, okay? And yeah, without further ado, I hope you like this video, so let's get started. तो ये टाइम था आई थिंक 2015 और in the early 2016, yeah, early 2016, and I was in 11th standard at that time. And like every other school, we were having our annual sports day, and I was a student of St. Mary's Convent School. जब मैं महर्षि पे थी ना, basically from where I did my HSLC, वहाँ पे I think sports day जो है वो एक दिन का होता है, like total of 1 day. हम लोग दूसरे के फील्ड में जाके स्पोर्ट्स वगैरह करते थे. Yeah, it was 2 day thing. No, it was only 1 day thing only, okay. But Saint Mary's पे ऐसा नहीं होता था. At least the year I was in there, वहाँ पे कुछ दिन तक चला था. मतलब when we say sports day, it was not a sports day, but it was kind of like a sports week. Now if I think it was on second last day. I think, yeah, it was, yeah, if I'm not mistaken, it was on the second last day. And हम जो सीनियर्स थे, हम लोग बेसिकली क्या करते थे, हमारे फ्री टाइम पे हम लोग जाके वहाँ पे साइड पे बैठ के ऐसे मतलब देखते रहते थे कि कौन कैसे खेल रहा है, कौन ये. एंड देन वी यूज टू गॉसिप एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ. बट मोस्टली ना हमारा जो सेक्शन था वो ऑलमोस्ट क्लासरूम के हमेशा अंदर ही होता था. मतलब 90% ऑफ द टाइम इट वॉज वी यूज टू स्टे इनसाइड द क्लासरूम ओनली, गॉसिपिंग अबाउट दिस एंड दैट. ये क्या, वो क्या, इस वीक पे क्या हुआ, इस वीक पे क्या हुआ, देन ये सम किया कि नहीं, वो सम किया कि नहीं, कौन सा होमवर्क दिया था टीचर ने, and all that stuff. So yeah, we were, I guess, kind of boring now that I think. ज़्यादा कुछ होता नहीं था हम लोग के क्लासरूम पे, स्टूडेंट्स बहुत ही कम थे. So I guess that is also one thing. Yeah, now that I think, yeah, it was really kind of boring. We were kind of boring people. Commerce जो section था हम लोग का. But coming to the story, हम लोग का जो स्कूल है, yes, हम लोग का जो स्कूल है वो कुछ मतलब अजीब ही है, ठीक है. Like अगर आप यहाँ से शुरू करते हो, आप वहाँ भी पहुँच सकते हो, वहाँ भी पहुँच सकते हो, और यहाँ भी पहुँच सकते हो, और यहाँ भी पहुँच सकते हो. Like it has many corridors, pathways, and yeah, basically there are 2 buildings. एक new building है, एक पुराना building है, which are like connected अंदर से. तो जहाँ पे sports होती है, that is नीचे. You can either go there directly, or you can go by the new building, which is like which was like kind of ours. हम लोग new building पे थे. या फिर you can go through the old building, but वहाँ से जाने के लिए आपको एक मतलब अजीब सा कॉरिडोर से होके जाना पड़ता था. Now that I think of it, yeah, it kind of looked scary. So as I said कि बहुत सारे corridors and pathways हैं. So there is like this लंबा corridor, as I said, जहाँ से हम लोग नीचे जा सकते थे. And ये एक लंबा कॉरिडोर है, एंड दिस साइड बोथ आर क्लासरूम्स, ओके. वो कॉरिडोर ऐसा था कि इवन इफ यू हैविंग क्लासरूम एंड यू हैव लाइट्स इन द क्लासरूम, वो कॉरिडोर ना मतलब हमेशा लाइक इट यूज्ड टू बी लाइक ब्लैक दिन में ही मतलब पूरा मतलब रात जैसा लगता था. जब स्पोर्ट्स वीक चल रहा था तब क्लासरूम पे बेसिकली यू नो एम्प्टी, the classrooms are empty, right? Basically, I'm actually having goosebumps now that I'm thinking of it. The classrooms are empty, the lights are off, because you know saving electricity was a big thing. So the lights are off, and just think how dark the corridor looks, how echo it has to be when you walk through that corridor. It is giving me goosebumps right now. So this is like an overall description of how the building, like I hope आपको थोड़ा सा कुछ समझ में आ गया होगा कि बिल्डिंग कैसा है and all that stuff. let me just quickly put on the concealer. Vampires doesn't have any blood running through them, so I think I'm gonna go like this, you know, to give my face a little bit of cut. Am I looking white? Now let's quickly set this before it creases. So basically today's makeup does not include any blushes because vampires are very cold-blooded and they are pale skin. Okay, so setting on our face and neck and all that stuff is done. So now let's move on with the story. So as I said about watching the kids play on the field, हम जाके बैठते थे वहाँ पे जाके and all that stuff. So हम लोग क्या करते थे, हम लोग न्यू बिल्डिंग से नहीं, हम लोग ओल्ड बिल्डिंग से जाते थे. That is from that, you know, long corridor, dark long corridor. But तब ऐसा कुछ feel होता नहीं था because I think हम लोग 4-5 usually रहते थे, so it does not used to feel that scary when we were like you know, going एक साथ. And why I'm saying this because it is really connected to what I'm going to say. As I said कि हम लोग को कुछ feel ऐसा होता नहीं था जब हम लोग एक साथ रहते थे. We used to talk about that shitty stuff about ghosts and all that stuff. ऐसा कभी feel नहीं हुआ कि you know someone is watching us और कुछ है उस corridor पे, ऐसा कभी कुछ feel नहीं हुआ था. I think I'm looking enough scary with this eyebrows. Let's move on to our eyeshadow. It was the second last day and तब हम लोग की बारी थी, तो हम लोग खेले, बहुत सारा मस्ती भी किया. But the problem after that got is I was very thirsty. After playing all that stuff, I became very thirsty. And मेरा एक चीज़ है कि जब मुझे प्यास लगती है ना तो मुझे पानी चाहिए चाहिए, अगर मैं बाहर भी रहूँ. And if I'm you know, I'm being very thirsty, then I will, मतलब मैं बाहर से भी पानी मतलब खरीद के मुझे खाना पड़ता है, पीना पड़ता है. So I am that kind of a girl. So I needed water very badly at that moment. And to my bad luck, पानी का बॉटल ऊपर पे था, मतलब क्लासरूम पे था, न्यू बिल्डिंग पे था. So you know, I asked my friends कि अगर you know if you want to go, then let's go and bring the water bottle. मैंने तब कुछ ऐसा सोचा नहीं था that I will be, you know, जो मैं आपको बाद में बताने वाली हूँ, that I was scared. But पहले मैंने ऐसा कुछ सोचा नहीं था that I will be actually scared of, you know, going through the corridor. तो since nobody wanted to go with me, I was like okay चलो ठीक है, खुद ही चल लेते हैं. And actually sports week भी चल रहा था, so you know, they really wanted to watch all the kids playing because it's kind of like fun, you know, you watch them, you get the memories of yourself playing also. So yeah, that's all that stuff. So I was like chalo खुद ही चल लेते हैं, since प्यास तो वैसे भी रुकने नहीं वाला. I have to get done with drinking water. So I was like okay, let's go. मैं खुद ही ऊपर चली through that scary corridor. So I got to the steps, सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ी, फिर मैंने you know I got to that corridor. And when I was in the middle, मतलब जब तक मैं middle में पहुँच चुकी थी, I got that feeling of something like a cold wind passing by me. It was on a winter day, but जब हम लोग पहले जाते थे तब ऐसा feel नहीं होता था कि you know something is actually there and something is passing by us. But my breath has got uneven, I guess. But as you can see, I got that feeling of very like it was very unwanted. I did not want that. I did not want to feel in that way. So I was like ठंडे का दिन है, it's a winter season. So I think that must be the reason कि you know अचानक से मतलब एक wind आ गया and all that stuff. But it was very negative at the beginning. I literally stopped on my tracks and I was like, what was this? Like what was this? What has just passed through me? Like I was shit scared of it. Like I was shit scared of it. 1:04 AM. As I told you दैट मैंने ऐसा कुछ मतलब नेगेटिव नहीं सोचा. आई थॉट अ वेरी पॉजिटिव एंड यू नो आई थॉट कि ठंडे का दिन है एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ. नो, a big no. The wind that I thought actually passed through me came back and बोलते हैं ना, like it has surround you kind of a way that you cannot go in front, like आप step आगे नहीं ले जा सकते, वैसा एक situation हो गया था वहाँ पे. I am going to quickly set this kajal with this black color. मैं अभी बता नहीं सकती कि मैं कितना स्कैर्ड थी उस टाइम पे, बट आई वॉज एक्चुअली वेरी मच स्कैर्ड. माई हार्ट वॉज लाइक आई लिटरली स्टॉप्ड ऑन माई ट्रैक्स. आई यू नो माई हार्ट वॉज it was in an amazing speed, just as if I just ran through a marathon. By the power of acting, I did both my eyes without you knowing. So as I was in the story, slowly steps मैंने लिया, but it was very scary. It was cold, it was dark, it was just very negativity all around. I remember classrooms पे कोई नहीं था, the lights were off. It was like very dark. It was like very dark, and cell phones are not allowed. Were not allowed. I don't know about now. अगर अभी ऐसा हुआ तो I would take out my phone out and you know torch जला के देख सकती हूँ, but उस टाइम पे ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. So it was like more scary. But then I was like, मेरे दिमाग में तब ना एक ही चीज़ आ रहा था, like Mother Mary, Jesus Christ. Like those two are the names that came in my mind throughout. Middle से corridor के middle से cross करना, like it became like a big deal for me. I just could not do it. But फिर भी मैंने slowly steps लिया, saying these names कि Mother Mary, save me. Jesus Christ, save me. I know you are there. After this, when I was constantly saying this, and I slowly took steps. I remember the wind was still following me. Okay, I still you know I could still feel the wind, but it suddenly became very positive. Like it was very negative at the beginning, but जब I started chanting these things, it was like kind of, because it was Catholic school, तो मेरे मन में दूसरा कुछ मतलब आया नहीं है. मेरा दिल मेरे मुंह पे हाथ पे आने वाला था. I was like, I kept going. I did not stop, and I felt good. I felt very positive. Like I know something was following me, but it was kind of like very positive. वो विंड मेरे से चला नहीं गया जब तक मैं क्लासरूम पे ना पहुंची. दैट वॉज द थिंग आई नोटिस्ड अ लॉट. लाइक जब तक मैंने क्लासरूम पे पैर नहीं रखा, इट वॉज लाइक अ कॉन्स्टेंट थिंग. इट वॉज लाइक समवन वॉज प्रोटेक्टिंग मी फ्रॉम समथिंग. लाइक something very positive was protecting me from very negative. And after I stepped onto my classroom, I did not feel that energy anymore. Like we humans actually can, you know, attract negative as well as positive energy. Negativity तब होता है जब हम लोग अकेले होते हैं, and positive तब होता है जब like chant bigger names than that. We don't think कि ये हमको harm करेगा. So you know, it's kind of like we used to think about God. कुछ भी बुरा हो जाए, like please God save me. हम लोग, we humans are like that. Okay, I don't remember telling this to my friends at all. I think I did not. Yes, but जब मैं घर आई, I told my mom कि you know this happened, and you know I was chanting this name. I never used to chant like Mother Mary, Jesus Christ names before. But जब उस दिन मैंने किया, I kind of told my mom कि you know I was chanting their names, and you know I felt very good. I felt very positive, and my mom was like, you know, she was there. She was protecting you from the very negative energy and all that stuff. You should, you know, तुम्हें उन पे विश्वास होना चाहिए. And I think from there, I think I started chanting their names whenever I'm in trouble or something. It's not about all the negative energy, But even if I'm in some problem, I just be like, Mother Mary, Jesus Christ, save me. So कुछ दिन बाद I got myself a rosary. Now if you don't know what, अगर आप Christian हो तो आपको तो definitely पता होगा, but if you're not someone who knows rosary is, it is very powerful. It is very very powerful. Okay, मुझे क्रिश्चियन रिलीजन या क्रिश्चियन कम्युनिटी के ऊपर इतना पता नहीं था, बट जब मुझे पता चला थोड़ा सा मैंने पूछा and all that stuff, I got to know that rosary is it's kind of like necklace which has Jesus Christ and Mother Mary in it, and it has this certain amount of beads which like you can chant God's name. So yeah, it's like it's kind of like a prayer kind of a thing that you do with it, but it is very powerful. Personally for me, as I have wore it for a long time, I know that it's very powerful. And yeah, it kind of keep you like protected from the evil energy or the negativity of the world. After I purchased the rosary, my friend, her name, should I take her real name? Okay, it's Aradhana. If you're watching this, hi. She kind of told me ki, you should not wear it like this, like you have to get it blessed before you wear it, something like that. I don't remember properly because honestly बहुत साल हो गए हैं. And so I gave it to her, and I think she took that rosary to the church and got it blessed by the father, and then she gave it to me, and I kind of wore it for a very long time, but unfortunately it broke. Whenever I used to wear the rosary, I always feel safe and protected. After I got that, I always used to wear it to school also. My friends जो भी classroom पे थे और जो भी science के students थे and arts में भी थोड़े से Christian students थे, तो उनको पता चल गया था that I was actually wearing a rosary since एक time पे मैंने उनको show किया था. Like yeah, it was like I felt good wearing that. Like I felt very protected whenever I used to wear that, so I kept wearing for a very long time, but unfortunately, as I said, it broke down. But I still have it. It's like a very very dear to me. It's like very close to my heart that I cannot tell you how much important it is for me. So it is actually said that कि broken rosary को आपको पहनना नहीं चाहिए, so I don't wear it anymore, but I still have it. I think this look need gloss. My lips need glosses actually, so I'm gonna put lip gloss, wahi same old My Glam wala lip gloss since I have only that, and then I'm gonna be putting on false lashes, and then I'm gonna be back. So I'm back with gloss and eyelashes. Honestly eyelashes ने कुछ ज़्यादा फ़र्क नहीं लाया चेहरे पे, but coming back to the story, उस टाइम से मेरा थोड़ा बहुत जर्नी स्टार्ट हो गया था, believing in something very supernatural, believing in something very big, something that protects us, something which is very positive and protects us from the evil or the negative energy, which is God, Lord, Allah, जो भी आप जैसा भी उनका नाम देना चाहो. I started to believe in that hope. That was my turning point in the life, believing in hope, believing in this religion, believing in Christianity, believing Jesus Christ, Mother Mary, and yeah, every year I go to church. Basically every year on the 1st of January I go to church and pray a lot that thank you for giving me this life. मैंने ये notice किया है कि when you start believing in these things, actually good things happens to you. My life has changed since then, and I think it's going towards the right path. And how do you guys like this look? It is much less of a vampire and more of a witch. And yeah, how do you like this? So I hope you like this video. I was a little bit skeptical on sharing this story. Like I don't know which is the right time to share the story with you guys, because Halloween and this one does not really go with each other. But again, on the very first part, it is like, as I said, it is very negative. So I thought of giving this, you know, a little bit of twist. So moral of the story, do not go anywhere dark alone. Yes, that's what I mean to say through this story. Do not go anywhere alone. Basically anything dark, anything negative, and if you feel negative energy towards you, then please pray to whichever God you want. Just pray and I promise you'll be saved. तब से मैंने एक शिक्षा ले ली है कि something which is like, if it's dark, there has to be light. If there is negative, there has to be positive. If there has to be evil, there has to be God. Thank you for watching this video, and I'm gonna see you on the next video, which is on the Diwali look, makeup look, and I'll be showing you more of makeup looks, I guess. Please don't get bored, and yeah, I'm gonna see you on the next video. Till then, bye bye.